Jessica.
Hi, Mummy.
Are you ready for the activity today?
Yes, Mummy.
Okay. Here you need to arrange the bangles in the same pattern. Okay.
Okay.
Shall we start?
Yes, Mummy.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Very good. Did you like the activity?